And today we're gonna unboxing this microphone. It is also used for my singing and also for my family. My father, my mother, and my brother. And also use the beatbox of Rainy. And also this is also for my fans to hear me sing. And it's time to unbox it. Time to open this up, guys. This is how it looks like in the box. The picture of it. And this is the cardboard. And now it's time to open it up. So first you start here. You tear that and open that. Whoa! So we have the first item is the golden microphone. I'm gonna put it here. Next we get the sponge for the microphone. And we have the filter so that we can sing loud. And we got this one. I don't know what's this called. And then next we got the stand so that we can know the length what we're gonna use. Thing is this wires and also these other pieces for the microphone. So these are the ones. We got the wires for cell phone and for the laptop. And we got this. We got this. I don't know what it's called. It's kind of complicated. Then we got that and another cord. So these are all in the box. I forgot this one. It's another cord. And we got the instructions and this another instruction. So guys, it's time to rebuild the microphone.
So hi guys, so the big question now is how to install this and how to use this. So we get right on it. So this is all inside the box, guys. So what your next so that you see. So this is all everything inside the box. So this is a very affordable live recorded mic. So this is the mic, guys, the gold one. First we really need to this inside, so it's very simple, just like that. Next is to install this in the table. So this is the clip here, guys. You can see. So you just go over here and try to inside. Try to lock it up. Just turn it on until you feel that it's already hard. It's a very simple thing to do. And it will just sit here. This is where we'll put the mic, and we will use this. So just the one will hold the mic. So this is the mic, guys. So as you can see here, we just have to directly insert here, and that's it. So the mic is ready. You can lock it up here, so not slide down. So the next is the filter. So how to install this is just to place it here, around here, this part. So there you go. So that's how I install microphone. Now how to install this. Call this the live sound card. So as you can see, guys, so everything here is where we can place all the jack and the USB, the OTG part, and also the mic. So how we will do it is, first up, for the mic, so we need to just place it here. And just place it here, guys, in the, you can see here, the condenser mic. So just place it there, and that's it, the condenser mic. The next is we can, so that you can hear your voice properly. So this is where you put your headset or your earphone. So vice versa, either both. You can place it anywhere you want. So I have here a headset. This is the headset used by Ate in singing her second video. So if you want to hear more about the mic, you can check the link below and hear the beautiful voice of Bernexa, of our daughter. She's using this mic, singing her second music. So check the link below. So you just place it here, guys. It's for the mic. That's for the headset, I mean. The next step is the charging. So this is where we put the power, how to turn this live sound card. You just place the OTG here with the power on. Then next is the what we call the accompany instrument. So you can use cell phone or computer, plug it in. So you can use this one. So any of this, just put it here for the accompany of the other cell phone. What this mean is that if you want to play something, some other music, you can play. If you want to play another YouTube channel, now it will hear it from your live cell phone, so you can use that other phone. This the accompany instrument is used for. So next is the live 1 and live 2. So either both you can use 2. You can use the 3.0 mm jack and the OTG. So we just put it here, and that's it, and you're ready to go to use the microphone. So that's it, guys. So next question is how to operate it, how to use it. So check this out. The live sound card. So if you can see a red turning on, it means that this is working. So how to turn this on and ready to do some recording or do some live video with your mic. So what we will do is just hold about 3 seconds. So you can see other also turn LED. So that's it. I think you're ready to record. So this here, guys, is the treble, how to adjust your treble, then your bass, then how to do the recording. So right now I'm using it full. Then for the music, it means that it is the one that I told earlier, the accompany instrument, which is this one. So how loud you want that music to turn on, so that based on the microphone when you hear it in your headset. And the monitor, of course, the volume of your monitor when you hear your microphone. So also here is a different beat. So you can do cheer, you can do brass, the gun, display on everything here. There are so many things here to do. If you want to tell some jokes or you want to do some clapping, so there's a clap here. If you want some fun, so there's a laugh here, some kissing, and some songs here, song 1 and song 2. So how will I do it? So I will show you guys. So this is my phone. So I'll try it. Right now I'll just show you how to do some recording with this mic. Just a very simple thing to do. Recording. So this is the recorder. So what I will do is just use the jack and just place it here in that 3 mm jack. Then this one I forgot to bring the other phone. So if you want to play another music and to hear it while you record it, so you can use this, the accompany instrument. So next is we'll just have to click the record, and you can ready to say something on the mic. So we'll do it now. Wait. So we're ready to record now. So start recording, and let's see the voice of that microphone. Hello, testing 1 2 3. As you can see, it's working. It's being pop up. Hello 1 2 3. Hello 1 2. Hello 1 2 3. Testing. So if you want to say laugh, you can laugh. Then you can clap. Then so you just click anything here, guys, if you want. So if you want to make the mic louder, so it's here. So hi 1 2 3, so it makes more louder, and you can use the echo here if you want to have a nice echo. Testing 1 2 3, make the echo more. So that's it. So everything here, just play around it with guys, so you will enjoy it, just like me and Renexa playing this mic. We enjoy it, and it's in a very affordable mic, and it's really good for the beginners like us, me and my daughter and my family, my wife and son as well. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed that demo, and check out our next videos for more about this mic. Thank you. Hello, testing 1 2 3. As you can see, it's working. It's being pop up. Hello 1 2 3. Hello 1 2. Hello 1 2 3. Testing. So if you want to say laugh, you can clap. You just click anything here, guys, if you want. So if you want to make the mic louder, here. So hi 1 2 3, so it makes more louder, and you can use the echo here if you want to have a nice echo. Testing 1 2 3, make the echo more. That's it. So everything here, just play around with it, guys. You will enjoy it. It's like me and Renexa playing this mic. We enjoy it, and it's in a very affordable mic, and it's really good for the beginners, us, like me and my daughter and my family, wife, son as well. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed that demo, and check out our next videos for more about this one. Thank you.
So guys, this is it. This is my microphone. It is covered with gold, so we just add a sponge, but the color of the microphone is really gold, and I really like it, guys. I hope you like it too. So also, guys, check my other video so that I will use this microphone for my other stick, which I've been practicing for you guys. I hope you like it. And also, please like and subscribe. We need 1,000 likes and subscribers. Bye! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.